Hello traders, it's my joy and pleasure being here with you. I'm finally finding a moment, second video of 2026, to show you how you can trade not just futures, not just day trade, not just options, but you can trade system on any instrument, any time frame, any platform you want. The only thing you need is your phenomenal limitless brain, just a little effort, and Fibonacci retracement tool. As someone in the trading room asking about Microsoft, you should have been shorting, not buying Microsoft since the month of November 2025, when price came to reversal zone. And you learned in the course in institutional class I teach every Thursday. If you cannot come to live classes, simply view hundreds of videos of prior live recorded classes. And most of our students work full-time or on different time zone. So take a look on the predictive power proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system. If I take you back to Microsoft and I bring you all the way back to August 2025, my goodness, price reached reversal zone. Not the place to buy, but to short Microsoft from. Where is the Microsoft right now from 540 level? We are 6 months later. My goodness, here we are. Rules are made, take short. Can you do that? If you can drive the car, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system February 3rd. Microsoft collapsed from 540 to 412. $130 per share. I have no idea what the earnings of Microsoft are. But what I know is predictive power of proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system I developed in 2004, and you can trade and you can use well before earnings. System is predictive. System is precise. And when we take a look on the earnings, which one is my favorite instrument? My goodness, when Tesla earnings falling in the 9 of the last 10 quarters, what did Alpha Fibonacci system told you to do? To buy, not to short Tesla. Let me take you Tesla back to the month of April. Catastrophic earnings. No more lovey-dovey between Elon Musk and Trump. So how is it possible that Tesla's being burned all over the world? But it's an intelligent thing to do, to buy, not to sell Tesla. My goodness, here's Tesla at 233.29 as Tesla's being burned all over the world. But unlike Microsoft that crashed from the top of the reversal zone, Tesla at the bottom. Here comes bullish rally. Despite catastrophic earnings, Tesla more than doubled in value. So when financial institutions, JP Morgan traders, financial advisors all over the world trading Alpha Fibonacci system, it shows you clearly. It's absolutely 100,000% your personal decision on the instrument and time frame you want to trade. Tesla almost doubled in value from 233 to 500 level and sold off despite bullish earnings in 2026. Did you see that part? That never gets sold. Wow! This is a stunning reminder that Tesla earnings are better, but Tesla beat analyst consensus, but it sold off. That's a stunning lesson. If trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates, but trading on the news is gambling. But when you trade with the power of predictive proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system, the sky's the limit. So when you're witnessing this mega power and you understand This is the reason why Nvidia is selling off, because it reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. 2025 had been a bliss for a trader who traded Alpha Fibonacci system long term on massive stocks and of course absolutely futures. So when you're taking a look on what playing out this morning on S&P, doesn't matter the chart you trade. Is it 5, is it 10, is it 15? You make a personal decision and identify the instrument and time frame you want to trade. As S&P crashed and burned on retail charts. Again, as spelled out many months in advance, we are in institutional correction stuck since the month of October on S&P, and this requires ultimate knowledge and discipline to trade. And if I bring to your attention NASDAQ that show you clearly, you need to know where to short, not to buy NASDAQ. Again, doesn't matter if you trade 5, 10, 15, any chart, because intelligent trader understands with a single glimpse we're in institutional correction on institutional charts. But if you traded NASDAQ, QQQ long term, you spent 5 minutes in 2025 and you made 1,000 points plus, because day trading is not for everyone. An exact same thing on S&P. You could have traded S&P index fund, because if you cannot pass psychological and technical test of day trading, your system long term, look at the chart, 5 minutes per week, 5 minutes per month. Can you do that? But if you decide you want to trade gold, of course you can, as traders do all over the world. Gold this morning on retail chart stuck in retail correction. What a mess. This is what you're witnessing in the trading room without any delays. Spectacular, phenomenal Monday. Absolutely junky little Tuesday on gold. And junky little Tuesday on silver. As every single day in retail markets, conditions change. But Alpha Fibonacci system allows you to prepare for your trade, and you know if you want to buy or sell, or most importantly be on sidelines and not trade retail junk as you see in front of you on silver and gold. But if you trade in Bitcoin, you're not crying yourself to sleep, as I warned you for many years. Bitcoin will never stop swinging 24 to 86%. What are you seeing on Bitcoin? We are testing exact same level where Bitcoin skyrocketed from in the month of April. And again, you knew it many months in advance. This level is a lifeline on Bitcoin. An intelligent trader understands. If there is no buyers found on Bitcoin, we're heading to 60. And after 60, we're heading to 40. Oops! So please understand the power predictive proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system. And when you're witnessing exact same levels playing out on euro, of course, you remember forever. Despite catastrophic war in Ukraine, catastrophic war in the Middle East, euro more than doubled in value as US dollar continue its free fall. Very bad news for us Americans who love traveling to Europe. Identical rules, identical strategies across all time frames, all platforms, all instruments. You make a personal decision on the instrument you want to trade. Pure and simple. So when beautiful Marsha is here this morning, as Marsha just signed up for the private mentoring course, she's been in private mentoring a couple of weeks. These are very powerful words. What I like is the fact that this trading system is black and white. You know where to get in and you know exactly where to get out. If Marsha can do this, so can you, so can anyone. So ladies and gentlemen, please review everything on the website and understand. This is proprietary system I developed in 2004, traded by traders all over the world. from 12, 14 to 80 plus years old. Fathers bringing their children, hedge fund managers. I have another one starting this summer. It's a big stunner. Husbands bringing their wives to the course, brothers bringing their brothers, friends bringing their friends. William, who is here this morning, bought the course for his account. This was a statement from William. My goodness. When accountant saw his mind-blowing returns, William bought it for his accountant. Oops! That's it. This is just a glimpse into global community. William been with me for 15 years. We met multiple times in California and New York. But every single one of my traders trades different instrument, different time frame, different platform. And when traders like Terry call me and cry on the phone, being so emotional about the pain of trading, all the pain stopped when Terry joined Fibonacci Trading Institute with a very big word. Many thanks to you all of such phenomenal trading system and for the personal investment you place in each student daily. As I invited trader to join after graduation, my elite group of traders. So this is from May to September. Do you understand? Trader goes weeks at a time without losing a trade. Alpha Fibonacci system prepares me to trade each morning with precision. And when incredibly brilliant human beings, doctors, brain surgeons, oncologists, business owners, professional athletes, Wall Street Journal, Wall Street traders joining the course such as JP Morgan traders, what is the biggest honor? The biggest honor, of course, when children of my students joining the course. Because if children can do this, if complete beginner traders can do this, anyone can. Dominic was simply bored during COVID. His father, hedge fund manager, brought him to the course. Listen to podcasts of traders from all over the world. It's a family affair. Much more to come. So many podcasts waiting to be uploaded. So please listen to my students all over the world, view the podcast, and you will be blown away. Because when Theo comes to the trading room in the middle of the night in Australia, 2 o'clock in the morning, it was an honor just to say hi for Christmas. That's the reason I live and breathe what I do. This is global community of traders. 2 o'clock in the morning to say hello with 90% success rate, forex, S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, added 150K and trading multiple prop firm accounts. Wow, never gets old. That's it. And when traders sharing these words, I promise you, this is a reason. It's a family affair. I don't need to do any marketing. I don't need to do any noise. As fathers bring in their children, husbands bring in their wives, brothers bring in their brothers, and friends bring in their friends. And when you view that complete beginner trader closes his law firm, he hated to be a lawyer, and becomes prop firm trader who trades not just futures but stocks and options. Listen to podcasts from traders all over the world. Pure and simple. Because if these traders can do it, complete beginner traders can do it. Children of my students can do it. Anyone can. So simply choose the option appropriate for you. It's proprietary system for all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. All you need on your platform, Fibonacci retracement tool, and your limitless brain power. Average student spends maximum 20 hours per week, unless of course you become obsessed it's only for the first few weeks. Private mentoring will forever be the most desirable option. I work with you one-on-one. You have access to all group classes. You have access to video library modules. If you cannot afford private mentoring, group course is the most popular option. Savings 5,000 plus. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 is 3 appropriate for you. Every option includes lifetime system for all platforms. Option 2 and 4 includes additional lifetime software for Ninja Trader 8 to day trade futures. In addition to lifetime system for all platforms, group course 3 months, private mentoring 4 months. After graduation, you can join Graduate Club for a micro fee and continue with all classes and video library that's available 24/7. Any questions for me, please do not hesitate to contact me or simply call or send me an email. Thank you, traders, so much. It's been my joy and honor being here with you this morning. As again and again and again, you witnessed it's a very different, very quiet trading day on gold and silver, with a very, very different trading day on S&P yesterday versus this morning. So buyers step in with vengeance. Intelligent trader understand this level is critical this morning, no matter what chart you trade. Intelligent trader also understands and seeing with a single glimpse. Buyers are weak. But if day trading is not your cup of tea and you don't want to day trade futures, you have complete flexibility to trade any chart, any instrument you choose. 5 minutes per week, 5 minutes per month, or 5 minutes per day, or 1 hour. Choice is yours. 100,000%. So thank you, traders, so much. It's been my joy and honor. I always encourage you to come to the trading room where you can ask me questions and witness the system in the live markets. I bring stocks, I bring crypto, I bring forex, I bring silver, I bring gold. All depends on volatility. All depends on questions traders ask. Thank you so much, everyone. Beautiful March. I cannot wait for our private mentoring session. Amazing to see you, Kurt. I cannot wait for our private mentoring session. Thank you so much. If you are joining us, amazing to see you, David. I cannot wait for our private mentoring session. As you see, incredible joy in my students. Thank you. Much more to come. My incredible elite group. Be on standby. As soon as I know my schedule, I will update you. Love, peace, joy, health and wealth to everyone. Do not hesitate to pick up the phone and call me if you have any questions. I live and breathe what I do, and I always encourage you to reach out. Your feedback means the world, and your questions will always be answered. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.